Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok video. In this video, I'll show you how to create your body language Capcut video on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. In this video trend, you can create a video of yourself with the matching sound and effects. So if you want to create this kind of video, then keep watching. So first, you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on search at the top right. And here you're searching for your body language. Now, this is the type of video which you'll be making, where you have a simple video of yourself, and once the line reaches to the red, the video clip will start to shake and blink with the matching sound. So scroll through TikTok, and what you're looking for is this kind of video and the Capcut button here at the bottom left. So once you see that button, you're going to go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the Capcut page and will show you what kind of video you're making. So once you're happy with that, you want to tap on Use Template in Capcut. So this will open up Capcut. Capcut is a free app on the App Store or the Play Store. So if you don't have it, go ahead and download it. Now this will give you a preview of what your video will look like. As you can see, it is created using one video. So I'll tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now here it'll ask you to select a video, which is 5.6 seconds long. So I'll go ahead and choose a video. So I'll tap on this one here. Next, I'll tap on Preview. This will create the video for me. And once it has created the video, it'll basically give me a preview of what I'll be getting. At the moment, there is no sound, but as you can see at the top right, you can add sound in TikTok. So once you're happy, go ahead and tap on that. This will export the video and will take it into TikTok. Now TikTok will automatically find the sound for you. As you can see, it has done that for you. Play the video and make sure you're happy with it. Now, once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Next at the bottom right, and then post that video to TikTok. So that is how to create your body language video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.